like being able to communicate about politician, do you think there's more of an advantage to it or not?
I think ano siya, parang I will answer it like in this universe, I would say it's both an advantage and it's a disadvantage. No? Siyempre, in a very macho political culture, disadvantageous siya. Kasi halimbawa, kadalasan yung mga mas matanda, na medyo masarami yung isip, mababa ang tingin nila sa mga bakla. And of course, that that we will debate with each other on key issues. At pag nang-debate kami, baka ano nila mag-isip ay, bakla lang. Or hindi ako maniniwala sa sinasabi nito nang hindi ko ng tulong sa akin para sa kanila kasi bakla lang. So, and also at the same time, medyo mahirap kasi nakakarinig ka ng sexist, misogynistic remarks in this institution, you can't help but call them out. So along the way, nagkakaroon kayo ng different of conflict. So, in that sense, medyo disadvantage siya. Pero advantage din siya kasi tingin ko parang may intuitive sense ang mga bets in terms of making connections. Tingin ko ito yung pwede natin gamitin doon sa field na kung nasaan tayo. Advantage siya kasi naranasan namin o naranasan natin yung hirap na hindi wala ng pagtanggap, yung hirap na hindi pagkakapantay-pantay. Kaya when we speak about inequalities in the world, hindi lang namin ito na-obserbahan, nararanasan namin ito. Bahagi ito ng buhay na. So, in that way, ladies and gentlemen, it's so an advantage and disadvantage, I think.
Kumain lang kayo habang chika bali na yun. Pwede
Kung
na
mga
kumakain.